Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided that I am going to make some Snickerdoodle cookies because why not? So I'm going to explain everything, what recipes I use, and then how I kind of make them, and then all of that fun stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first we're going to put 1/2 cup butter. So this is pretty much this whole stick. Throw it in here. Okay. Next, we are going to do 1/2 cup shortening. Throw that all into the bowl. Then we have 1 1/2 cup white sugar. Look at all this sugar. Okay. Then you have 2 eggs. Sugar smells good. And excuse the noise in the background. I am cooking. My husband's actually cooking, not me. Okay, then your 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 1, 2. Okay, then 2 3/4 cups all-purpose flour. This is a lot of flour. Two teaspoons of cream of tartar. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then in another bowl, I put 2 teaspoons of white sugar and then 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon is what it calls for, but you just kind of make it yourself and just throw it all together, mix it all up, and then you're gonna you'll see in a minute anyway. Okay, so now we're gonna mix it all up. Okay, so once you're done, you are going to, okay, first before you start prepping everything, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. And then now, what we are gonna do, I'm gonna put gloves on just because I don't want to touch it. You're gonna make all your dough into little bitty balls. And then you're gonna dump them into that sugar and cinnamon. And then start making all of them. You're going to continue doing this with all of it, and then I'll be back once I'm done making all of them. All right, so once you are done rolling your dough into little balls and throwing sugar on them, you are going to put them in the oven. So you can let them bake for 8 to 10 minutes. The longer you let them bake, of course, they're gonna be harder. So just kind of whatever your preference is. And once they're done, I will pull them out and we'll see what they taste like. And you wanna set them on a rack just so they don't continue to cook. All right, so I'm gonna put these last 2 sheets in there, and that's pretty much all you need to make some Snickerdoodle cookies. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, leave them down below. And in a minute, I'm gonna try one and let you know how good they are. All right, so now I am all done, and I'm going to try these out. They're pretty good. Okay. They're really good. I'm gonna put some ice cream with them later. All right, well that's all you need. Thank you for watching. Come back next week, see what I have. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Other than that, I will see you next week. Thanks.